Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The crimson-collared tanager, Ramphocelus sanguinolentus, is one of the most vibrantly colored and striking birds of Central America, often regarded as a true jewel of the tropics. Native to the lowland rainforests of southern Mexico and Guatemala, this species thrives in areas with dense vegetation, such as tropical forests, edges, and even shaded coffee plantations. Known for its brilliant plumage and lively behavior, it stands out as a charismatic and eye-catching presence in the canopy. This bird's appearance is a kaleidoscope of fiery reds, oranges, and blacks, making it one of the most beautiful tanagers in its range. The crimson-collared tanager is a medium-sized songbird, measuring about 24 centimeters, 9.4 inches, in length and weighing around 50 to 55 grams, 1.8 to 2.0 grams, 2 ounces. Its most defining feature is the rich crimson-red coloration on its throat, chest, and shoulders, contrasted against its black wings and back. Its head is slightly darker, a deep reddish black, which provides a striking contrast to the lighter tones of its belly and undertail. The bird's bright yellow or golden edges to the feathers on the back and wings add to its stunning visual impact, making it appear almost as though it were painted with an artist's palette. Its strong, conical bill is typically yellow, enabling it to easily crack seeds and consume various types of food. The crimson-collared tanager primarily inhabits lowland forests and tropical woodlands at elevations ranging from 800 to 1,800 meters, 2,600 to 5,900 feet, where it flits through the forest understory and canopy, often in the company of other tropical birds, such as hummingbirds, other tanagers, and sometimes mixed species flocks. It's found in both primary rainforests and secondary forests, as well as areas with sufficient tree cover, which allows them to forage and nest in the safety of dense foliage. Though these birds can be found in human-modified landscapes like coffee plantations, they prefer areas that maintain a natural, undisturbed forest structure. Dietarily, the crimson-collared tanager is primarily frugivorous, feeding on a wide variety of fruits, including berries, small tropical fruits, and seeds. It has also been observed consuming nectar from flowers and insects on occasion, particularly during the breeding season when extra protein is needed. They forage in mixed species flocks, often hopping between trees, picking fruit, and occasionally catching insects in flight or on branches. The large, powerful bill allows them to easily crack open seeds and berries, making them highly efficient feeders. Behaviorally, crimson-collared tanagers are active, social birds, often seen in small to medium-sized groups. They tend to be more quiet and unobtrusive than many other tanager species, communicating through soft calls or soft chattering as they forage in the treetops. When they do vocalize, their calls are often described as sharp, melodious whistles. These birds are also highly territorial during the breeding season, using their bright colors to establish dominance and defend their nest from rival tanagers or other forest birds. The breeding season of the crimson-collared tanager typically occurs during the rainy season, which lasts from April to August, when food availability is high. Like other tanagers, they build their nests in the branches of trees or shrubs, constructing a small, open cup-shaped nest with twigs, vines, and grasses. The female lays 2 to 3 eggs, which are incubated for about 12 to 14 days. After hatching, both parents take turns feeding the chicks, who remain in the nest for about 18 to 21 days before fledging. The bright plumage of the adults and their strong territorial behaviors help deter potential predators during the vulnerable nesting period. In the wild, the lifespan of the crimson-collared tanager is generally about 5 to 10 years, though this can vary depending on the presence of predators and environmental factors. In captivity or in protected areas with fewer threats, these tanagers can live longer, sometimes exceeding 10 years. Ecologically, the crimson-collared tanager plays an important role in the tropical ecosystem as a seed disperser. By consuming large quantities of fruit and then dispersing seeds through its droppings, it helps maintain forest regeneration and the diversity of tropical plant species. In doing so, it contributes to the growth of new plants and the health of the ecosystem, particularly in the regions where forests are fragmented or in recovery. They are also important members of the avian community in their habitat, often coexisting with many other bird species that rely on similar food sources. Here are some fun facts about the crimson-collared tanager. Despite their bright colors, these birds are relatively difficult to spot in dense forest cover, as they often remain hidden within the foliage, making them a delight for birdwatchers lucky enough to spot them. The vivid crimson of the bird's plumage is thought to be an adaptation to help the species blend in with the red and orange hues of the forest fruits they feed on, as well as to attract mates during the breeding season. Additionally, unlike many other tanagers, which are more solitary or found in the smaller family groups, the crimson-collared tanager's social structure makes them a common sight in mixed species flocks. They are often among the most sought-after birds for birdwatchers in Central America due to their striking appearance and relatively limited range.